Master the English language. Unveiling the Phonetic Alphabet. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today we're diving into an important but often overlooked tool that can significantly improve your English pronunciation, the phonetic alphabet. The phonetic alphabet is a system where each symbol corresponds to a specific English sound. By understanding this, we can learn how to pronounce words correctly even if we've never heard them before. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. The phonetic alphabet, also known as the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, is a set of symbols used to represent the sounds of a language. Every sound, or phoneme, that can be made by the human voice has a unique symbol in the IPA. This might sound overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. Remember, it's a tool to guide you, not something you must memorize completely. You may wonder why we need the phonetic alphabet when we already have alphabets for writing languages. The reason is simple: spelling can be misleading. The English language, in particular, is notorious for this. Words often aren't pronounced as they are spelled. And this is where the phonetic alphabet comes in. By learning the symbols in the phonetic alphabet, you can read the pronunciation of any English word in a dictionary or language learning app. To use the phonetic alphabet, you don't need to memorize every symbol, but understanding the basic categories and some of the symbols can help a lot. The symbols are divided into categories like vowels, consonants, and suprasegmentals, which include things like stress and tone. Vowels. The phonetic alphabet includes a wide array of vowel sounds, which may be grouped by the position of your tongue and lips. Consonants. Similarly, consonants in the phonetic alphabet cover a broad range. The symbols indicate where in your mouth or throat the sound is produced and whether it is voiced, your vocal cords vibrate, or voiceless. Your vocal cords do not vibrate. Suprasegmentals. These are used to mark things like word stress, which can change the meaning of a word in English. When you look up a word in a dictionary, you'll see these symbols in brackets or slashes after the word, which represents its pronunciation. That's all for our introduction to the phonetic alphabet. It's a powerful tool that can unlock a deeper understanding of the English language and significantly improve your pronunciation. We hope this video was helpful in your journey of mastering the English language. Keep practicing and don't forget, the key to success in language learning is consistency and patience. Stay tuned for more lessons in this series. Until next time, happy learning!